Hi, hello guys, hello everyone. I will show you how to use this rejuvenating. Yes, then I finished already to wash my face, guys. Yep, this the sabon. Because the sabon is very big, I will cut and times 2. Yep. Then I will wash and 2 times for this 2 times. Yeah, then now I put the toner. I put the toner, guys. Okay, this is the toner. This is the toner of our how to use this. Ganun mo lang siya, guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's very nice. Kuan jud siya, guys, is very effective jud siya, guys, sa mga dark spot for your face. Just mix slowly to like this, guys, okay? Just make like this little. Put on your neck also. This very easy lang siya sa po. Ganun just. Okay. Then I open this one. This inside this. Okay, this the sabon because I have already, and this the toner also, and this the cream night and day, guys. This the day. This for day, okay, and the night is this one. The night is this one, guys. See this half moon. This the night. Okay, I'll try to put for night because now is night. I will put this one. Okay, then this one. Okay, look like this. It's nice yun siya, guys, no? Kay effective kayo siya, guys. Mag-remove jud ang spot, mga ansa ni, mga dark spot her. Wala tayo kilay-kilay. Dala na sa kilay. Okay, and put little in the neck, guys.